When we get this. When we get this. We gotta give it everything we got. Everything. It's your dream.
Trying to win at Fortnite, I lost the game. Trying to win at Fortnite, I am not tame. Trying to win at Fortnite, made 100K. Trying to win at Fortnite, ain't got no aimbot. You know that every day I get on Fortnite. I play all night until the morning. Then I play Apex. Then it's right back to Fortnite every single day. I cry because lose at Fortnite to a hacker. Got the aimbot in the pocket. If anyone wanna talk smack or wanna 1v1, you know that every time I get a gun, gold scar, gold pump, anyone, you know that I'm getting money. No, it ain't funny. Yes, it's cool. Every single day I go to school. Every single day I go to school. Every single day I go to school. Every single day I get the golden scar, golden pump. It doesn't matter which one, I'll blow your fucking head off. I'm sick of all the money. Every single day am not funny. Every single day I play Fortnite expecting to get wins, but I don't get shit. All I get is L's. You know that? It tells you I'm not cool. I don't even win at Fortnite. I don't even eat pizza bites. I don't even play Fortnite. That ain't right. Every single day playing Fortnite. Every single day getting the L's. You know I lost to some default. Camping in a bush with a minigun. I am so sad. I wanna end it all today. Today. Today.